Give it
Get
to me
it? Let's
like.
talk about massive action, right? Everybody wants to have action. Everybody knows that if they put in the work, they're going to get the rewards. They're going to get the results. They're going to get the success. Let's hit it. Love it, baby. Let's go. So, how do you be a person, a man of high work ethic, high performance, right? How you make you valuable, like how you become how you be an asset to the game, like how do you make yourself that powerful, like how you come in and with less time, you know, with your presence, you can get so much done, right? How can you be that valuable, right? How you can be that productive, right? How can you have so much energy? How can you have so much done? How you can get this done and that done, and when they see you adding more to the plate, then you get more done, right? When they turn around, you're doing even more than you was doing before. It's impossible how that could happen. Let's talk about it, right? You gotta have your beliefs, right? You gotta have your habits, right? You gotta have the mindset. You gotta have self-control. You gotta have self-discipline, right? You gotta have the body, right? The mind and the soul align, right? With the same goals, right? You want a valuable person. You want to be a productive person. You want to be a person of energy. You got to have all those things together as a package to make you, for you to become that valuable person, right? Because if you have the action that will place those values in you, you have those values all combined together. You have a package of being a valuable man that gets shit done. You'll be a valuable motherfucking around here, right? Getting things done, right? In a different level that they would not comprehend because it's just very powerful, right? So you gotta eat right. You gotta exercise, right? Because the more that you are flexible, the more energy that you have, the more you can do. So we're talking about increase the production, right? You gotta have things that makes your body put more fuel in your body, right? Which is sleep good at night. You gotta have peace so you can sleep good at night, right? So you wake up fuel to the top, right? You gotta have the right nutrition instead of having the bad nutrition. Instead of having a lot of carbs and a lot of sugar that is going to drain, it's going to have you with low energy. You're going to have to eat great stuff, good stuff that's going to give more energy. It's going to fill you up with the right nutrition so you can do more, so you can be more productive. And with that, you got to be consistent enough for your body to know and understand those things, right? To operate on that level. And with the exercise, to have everything flexible, more energy, right? More movements. You got to do early in the morning. Start early in the morning with it so you get that body activated early in the morning, so you get that body going. Just analyze the days that you have that you get up after 7 o'clock, right? And the days that you have when you get up before 5 a.m. right? Your energy levels, your production is totally different. Your body get engaged in the action early in the morning. You do an exercise, you hydrate the body, you know, you have a good sleep, you fuel to the top. Now you got the fuel, right? Plus you got the movement, you got the action going. Now the body already understands we're moving today. We start early today. Let's get it. You know, it's ready to move, right? You break the laziness. right? By just getting up early in the morning, all right? The body already know today's not a lazy day. The mind already know today's not a lazy day. Today's a go-get day. It's a go-getter day, right? And then with that, you get your stuff going. Now, it's just the first phase. Second phase is going to come up where it's going to try to have you going through a break, right? Oh, I get up early. I did all this workout. I walk. I stretch the body. I hydrate the body. I connect with God in the morning. I did this. I did that. I did all that. Now I just got this nice nutrition in, right? I'm feeling good. Now I'm going to sit on the sofa. The same thing you went through in the morning when I told you it's cold, when I told you, I could get more sleep, right? You break you have that breakthrough. Now you got another breakthrough to do, right? And you got to exchange the bad habit of sleeping, oversleeping, staying in the bed to get the fuck up and go get something, right? And be productive, right? Be valuable, right? And that's when you come around and you act on that way and people see you getting so much done because your body is already on the routine of being, a valuable person and bringing valuable to the table. It is, in other words, massive action, right? So that's how you master yourself. That's how you master your actions. That's how you get so much done. And then at that time, you have another breakthrough. You know what? I got my things that I got to do. I'm trying to keep things organized. I'm trying to make extra money. Let me go get this work. I'm trying to close this client. Let me do this. I'm trying to get my person developed into another level. I got to get this knowledge. Let me go and do that course. Let me go and read that book. I got to go spend time with my daughter, with my son, with my wife, with my family. Let me go and get that done. And then they show up, the valuable man, into the action and getting those things done. This is what we're doing. Let's do this, okay? And get at it and start doing it, right? I got to organize my room. I got to organize my house. I got to organize the garage. I got to get some things done in the backyard for the kids or something like that, right? I got to organize something on my sales process. I got to organize something in my business. And then you have another breakthrough. Gets to the later the day, right? You're probably going to have to do the same thing again. A window for you to rest and be lazy, right? It's not time to rest. We rest when we go to sleep. You're full. You got energy. You eating right. You ain't got no bad habits. You got power. You can do it. We're going to keep doing it. We're going to keep doing it, baby. Now, maybe it's time to spend time with the family towards the end of the day. Maybe it's not. Maybe you already did that. Maybe you got a window for something else. Maybe the wife and the kids are doing something with the mother-in-law or something, or doing something on their own. You got time. You can grow. You can get more. You go and you do more. And you continue to let the body know, the mind know, the soul know that you are a valuable person. You don't waste no time. Every time, you get something and you get something done. And your life start being the way you want to be. You start seeing that being together, this being together. You're on top of your game here. You're on top of your game there. You mastering yourself. You have self starting. You start and you have self finish. You start and you finish. You have person initiative, right? You see something that needs to be initiated, you initiate that. You get the action going and you get that done. You're being a person that take massive action. You don't wait for nobody, right? You're the captain of your soul and the master of your actions, right? It's either you do it or you don't. It's up to you. Ain't nobody gonna do it for you. Your own boss, right? You run this ship and you run a tight ship. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's do it. And maybe it's just the time that you need to rest, Maybe it's just the time to read that book before you go to the bed. Maybe it's time to prepare that nice nutrition meal that you got to have on the following morning. You get that done. Maybe it's just time to go play with your baby. You go get that done because you got the energy, you got the action, you got the power. Everything's alignment. It's like we say in the beginning of the video. I see you on the next one. Let's get it. Make the rest of your life the best of your life. God first, you second, and you can dominate everything. Starting with yourself. And after that, you dominate the world, baby. Woo!
Give it to me like